The Paper, a new TV show. A new comedy show is starting this year. It is called The Paper, and it is a spin-off of the famous show The Office. Instead of selling office supplies, this story is about people who work at a small-town newspaper. A film crew follows the workers as they write stories and try to finish on time. The show looks and feels like The Office. The camera shows funny moments, strange talks, and people who do not always see how they act. But it is also different because it focuses on local news. Viewers will see how hard it is to keep a small newspaper alive when most people read news online. Many fans are excited to watch The Paper. They hope it will be as funny as The Office. Still, nobody knows if it will be a big hit. The new show must find its own way to make people laugh.